Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook an Angus beef burger. First, select high-quality ground Angus beef, ideally with an 80% lean and 20% fat ratio for the best taste and juiciness. Gently form your patties, aiming for about 3/4 of an inch thick and 4 inches in diameter. A small dimple in the center helps them cook evenly and prevents them from puffing up like a ball. This simple step ensures a perfectly flat burger. Now, let's talk seasoning and cooking. Season your patties generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper right before they hit the heat. Preheat your grill or a cast iron skillet to a medium-high temperature, around 400 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the patties on the hot surface and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes per side. This timing usually gives you a delicious medium-rare to medium burger, depending on your preference. To achieve your preferred doneness, a meat thermometer is your best friend. For a juicy medium rare, look for an internal temperature between 130 and 135 degrees Fahrenheit. If you prefer medium, aim for 140 to 145 degrees. Once cooked, it's crucial to let your burgers rest for about 5 minutes off the heat. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the patty, ensuring every bite is incredibly flavorful and moist. Finally, let's assemble your masterpiece. Lightly toast your burger buns. This adds a wonderful texture and prevents them from getting soggy. If you're adding cheese, place it on the patties during the last minute of cooking so it melts beautifully. Then, pile on your favorite fresh toppings like crisp lettuce, ripe tomatoes, and crunchy onions. Don't forget your preferred condiments. Enjoy your perfectly cooked, juicy Angus beef burger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.